Hey guys, this is the passenger side door handle on my 1991 Trans Am, and as you can see, the unlock and lock buttons have become very faded. Now on this one, you can actually see where it says lock, whereas on my driver's side, that's what it looked like. And if you're anything like me, this gets really confusing. So I hopped online and I found the replacements, and they're actually super cheap. Here's what the new one looks like, and look, you can already tell that's a lot better. So I figured I'd show you guys real quick how to swap this out. It's super easy, and let's get started. So the way this pops out is there's a small clip here and here, and you can just get like a flathead screwdriver and push it outwards on each side and it'll pop right out. And then on this, it's pretty simple. There's a clip on the top side and a clip on the bottom side. If you pull it apart and just kind of pull outward, this is basically just plugged in. Alright, so we're going to plug the new one in. And then before you do anything, just make sure it works. And there it is. That's a lot better. Super easy, super cheap. I'll leave the part number in the description. If you like this video, shoot me a like, and I'll see you next time.